people, how are you? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. If you're new, then hi, I'm Zina and I'm a hair artist, but today we're gonna create some incredible simple thin hair hairstyle. This is your request, so that's my response for you. I decided why not, because I have so many clients with thin hair and I know their problems, scalp showing and so on. But first, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification as well, so you'll be notified every time I post a new hair tutorial. So if you liked today's hair tutorial, don't forget about thumbs up. This inspires me to do more hairstyles. But first tip for girls with thin hair goes: pull your crown section. Pull your every bubble that you have in your hair, okay? Just hold the ponytail with your hand and pull apart your ponytail braid wherever it is, or braid or bun. This way you'll create more volume. Also girls, if you have any scalp showing, don't worry, just brush it just only with your fingers. Trust me, you'll feel when your scalp is showing and when not. Also, if you find that this tip doesn't work, dry shampoo is your lifesaver, especially if you have a dry shampoo that matches your hair color, and also it will color a little bit your roots and nobody will see anything, even though there's any scalp showing. And so without too much rambling, I'll tell you during the tutorial tricks and tips, so please stay tuned till the end and try and practice and love your hair. Trust me, you'll get where you want. Just practice and let's get started.
So as you can see, my hair is not that thick, even though it looks like I have a lot of hair. So we'll begin with our first triple topsy tail ponytail. So basically we'll grab our top section, make a ponytail, make an opening, bring the ponytail through this opening. Then make sure to hold the ponytail with your hand and pull a little bit the sides of your ponytail with your hands like I'm showing. Then we'll grab another two sections from the sides of our first ponytail, incorporating our first ponytail as well. We'll make a ponytail. Then you want to make an opening through the second ponytail and bring the ponytail through this opening. Now you want to again pull the sides of your ponytail, but also this created bubble, we want to grab the sides of our ponytail and then crisscross them and make with all the hair a ponytail as well. Crisscrossing our side sections will make sure there are no scalp showing. So again, make sure to hold the last ponytail with your hand and pull apart your bubble and your ponytail as well. We'll use the ponytail that we made before, so we'll grab the ends of our hair and then we want to tuck it into the last opening and into the elastic of the last ponytail as well. I hope that this makes sense. And then make sure to pull it several times, creating this loop depending on how long your hair is. My hair is not that long, so that's why I'll grab the ends and tuck it into the bubble and into the elastic as well. Make sure to pull created loop and pin it from the sides. For our third hairstyle, we'll grab a section from one side and make a ponytail with it. Then we want to make a side opening into our ponytail and bring the ponytail through it like I'm showing. Pull a little bit and then you want to add more hair to your created ponytail and tie it, creating this loop. And then you want to make an opening through this ponytail and the loop as well, and bring the hair through this opening, pull a little bit created loops. Then you want to add the rest of your hair to this ponytail and you want to tie it using a clear elastic. And again, you want to make a side opening and bring the ponytail through this opening and to this bubble as well. Make sure to pull the bubbles more if you need. If you have any scalp showing, make sure to brush it with your fingers. And yes, you're done. Moving on to our last hairstyle, we'll grab our crown section, make a ponytail, make an opening, and then you want to bring a little bit of your ponytail up and leave it as it is. Make sure to pull it to make this loop, and then using a bobby pin we want to fix it in place. Now we'll add more hair to this ponytail, and we want to make our second ponytail and bring the hair from the ponytail a little bit up like I'm showing, creating this loop. We'll stretch it, use a bobby pin to fix it again. Then you want to grab remaining hair, make a ponytail as well, make an opening through your ponytail and bring your hair a little bit up, creating your third loop. Pin it in place using a bobby pin. Then remaining hair you want to create a loop, and then you want to tie it using your last elastic and hide the ends inside of created last loop.
If you enjoyed today's hair tutorial, please don't forget about thumbs up. This inspires me so much to do more hairstyles for you. Also, don't forget about subscribe and bell button so you'll be notified every time I post a new hair tutorial. If you have any hairstyles requests, leave me in comments down below. So maybe your request will be next hair tutorial. That's it for today. Love you lots, and you cannot do anything with that. Bye!